Hi, Vic. Happy 50th birthday. Now we all would like to wish you all the best in life. And you stay happy and healthy. And I hope one day we will meet again here. We all miss you very much now. And you look after yourself. Because tumatanda ka na. Medyo iwasan mo ng konti yung dinuguan. Keep going.
Just keep going. Dinuguan.
Iwasan mo yung dinuguan, yung kari-kari mo. Dahil sasakit na naman yung arthritis mo, yung tuhod mo. Anyway, kumusta sa inyo lahat dyan? Kay Malut, saka sa mga bata. Kumusta mo kay Nestor and Joy? And John, sa sister-in-law mo, sa mga in-laws mo dyan, kumusta sa inyong lahat? And hopefully next year, baka pag tumama ako sa loto, baka magkita-kita tayo dyan lahat. Okay? Once again, happy birthday. Okay?
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!